Hello everyone, let me take you into the world of birds. Today I'm going to talk about the different kinds of feathers. There are 7 broad categories of feathers. First is wing feathers, also known as remiges. Tail feathers are also known as rectrices. These feathers support precision steering in flight. Contour feathers are also known as coverts. They help in streamlining the shape of the bird. Semi-plume feathers provide insulation. Down feathers trap the body heat. Plume feathers are like mammal whiskers. Finally, the bristle feathers protect their eyes and face. I will come back with more videos to share with you, so don't forget to like and subscribe.